When I sat down as Secretary of DILG, may narinig ako na may butas na 3. At saka yung butas na 3, hinuhulugan talaga ito. I don't know what amount. And one of the butas belongs to the Secretary or to the SILG. Pero up to now, I have not received any single centavo. Although, I was encouraged by several to accept. So, up to now, I have not accepted any. Although there are reports na sinasabi na nagre-receive ako dahil kinukuha yung nasa butas. May kumukubra. I'm trying to find out kung sino yung kumukubra. But
pangalawang butas po.
Ha?
Yung pangalawang butas.
Hindi ko po alam yung pangalawang at pangatlong butas, no? Pero baka alam nyo po, Your Honor. So, anyway, really, I have not received any centavo. Although may mga report na nagre-receive ang SILG.